Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Spellbinder's report. This is a email that's being, well, I guess, passed around from person to person, saying please forward this on to your friends and family to let them know what Barack Obama is really doing and how he's bringing capitalism to an end in the United States and turning us into a third world banana state, basically, of a country. And it's basically, he didn't want his name revealed, but he said please forward this to everyone, friends and family. So it's called Overwhelm the System. That's what it is. Barack Obama is no fool. He is not incompetent. To the contrary, he is brilliant, and he knows exactly what he's doing. He is purposely overwhelming the U.S. economy to create systematic failure, economic crisis, and social chaos, thereby destroying capitalism and our country from within. Barack Obama is my college classmate, Columbia University class of '83. As Glenn Beck correctly predicted from day one, Obama is following the plan of Cloward and Piven, two professors at Columbia University. They outlined a plan to socialize America by overwhelming the system with government, spending, and entitlement demands. Add up the clues below. Taken individually, they are alarming. Taken as a whole, it is brilliant. Machiavellian game plan to turn the United States into a socialist Marxist state with a permanent majority that desperately needs government for survival and can be counted on to always vote for bigger government. Why not? They have no responsibility to pay for it or to pay it back or anything else, at least not in their lifetime. Universal health care. The health care bill had very little to do with health care. It had everything to do with unionizing millions of hospital and health care workers, as well as adding 15,000 to 20,000 new IRS agents who will join government employee unions. Obama doesn't care that giving free health care to 30 million Americans will add trillions to the national debt. What he does care about is that it cements the dependence on those 30 million voters to Democrats and big government. Who but a socialist revolutionary would pass this reckless spending bill in the middle of a depression? Cap and trade, like health care legislation having nothing to do with health care, cap and trade has nothing to do with global warming. It has everything to do with redistribution of income, government control of the economy, and criminal payoffs to Obama's biggest contributors, those powerful and wealthy unions and contributors like GE, which owns NBC, MSNBC, and CNBC, can then be counted on to support everything Obama wants. They will kick back hundreds of millions of dollars in contributions to Obama and the Democratic Party to keep them in power. The bonus is that all of the new taxes on the Americans with bigger cars, bigger homes, and businesses helps Obama spread the wealth around. Make Puerto Rico a state. Why? Who's asking for the 51st state? Who's asking for millions of new welfare recipients and government entitlements addicts in the middle of a depression? Certainly not American taxpayers. But this has been Obama's plan all along. His goal is to add 2 new Democrat senators, 5 Democrat congressmen, and 1 million loyal Democratic voters who are dependent on big government. Puerto Rico. Legalize 12 million illegal immigrants. Just giving these 12 million potential new citizens free health care alone could overwhelm the system and bankrupt America. But it adds 12 million reliable new Democratic voters who can be counted on to support big government. Add another few $1 trillion in the welfare aid to dependent children. Food stamps, free medical education, tax credits for the poor, and eventually Social Security. stimulus and bailouts. Where did all that money go? It went to the Democrat contributors, organizations like Acorn, and unions, including billions of dollars to save or create jobs for government employees across the country. It went to save GM and Chrysler so that their employees could keep paying union dues. It went to AIG so that Goldman Sachs could be bailed out after giving Obama almost $1 million in contributions. A staggering $125 billion went to teachers, thereby protecting their union dues. All those public employees will vote loyally Democrat to protect their bloated salaries and pensions that are bankrupting America. The country goes broke. Future generations face a bleak future, but Obama, the Democratic Party, government, and the unions grow more powerful. The end justifies the means. Raise taxes on small business owners, high-income earners, and job creators. Put the entire burden on only the top 20% of taxpayers. Redistribute the income. Punish success and reward those who did nothing to deserve it, except vote for Obama. Reagan wanted to dramatically cut taxes in order to starve the government. Obama wants to dramatically raise taxes to starve his political opposition. With the acts outlined above, Obama and his regime have created a vast and rapidly expanding consistency of voters dependent on big government. A vast privileged class of public employees who work for big government, and a government dedicated to destroying capitalism and installing themselves as socialist rulers. That's what it's all about. Socialism in its pure form, it works. In the form they want, it's no more than collectivism. By overwhelming the system. Add it up, and you've got the perfect Marxist scheme, all devised by my Columbia University college classmate Barack Obama using the Cloward and the Piven plan. Please forward. I just did, will you? And that's it. I hope this wakes a lot of people up. That these people that want this communism and this socialism, they're not going to be part of it. Oh no, they're going to be the ones running it. So therefore, they get everything. They get all the benefit. They get everything. There will be ones living in mansions while you're living in sheds. Do you not understand what this is really all about? And the people that are being cronies, their thuggeries that they'll have, of all these union members, will be the ones that will have anything. And the rest of us will just be, slaves. Until next time, this is Spellbinder, reporting on the true nature of government and why we should be fighting against this tooth and nail, because if we don't, we're going to end up as a third world country in a very short time. Until next time, be good, or be good at it. Good day.